Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my version of the I'm Cold winter makeup that's been all over TikTok.
Second every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
First, I start off with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and I'm just going in and shaping up my eyebrows. I'm not really an eyebrow girly, so this is a perfect alternative for that.
Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower.
Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation.
Dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you.
Now I am going to conceal, and I went in with the HD Concealer by Kiss in the shade Almond. I'm going to put this underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead area, by my nose, and my chin as well.
But I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real.
I just went in with a lighter shade underneath my eyes to really brighten up that under eye.
You can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I got this, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I got this, put it in the song, alright.
After I blended everything, I went back in with that foundation brush because there's always still a little bit of foundation left over, and I just blended in everything to make sure it looked seamless and smooth. Next, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to put that everywhere that I put concealer. And I just went over that with the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder in the shade Medium Deep so that it didn't look as bright and white. If y'all know what this stuff does, let me know down below, because I just be doing it because the YouTube girlies be doing it. But I went in with my Soft Focus finishing powder in the shade Milk Chocolate as a bronzer. And I went in with another brush to make sure everything was blended in and looking seamless. Here I'm using a smaller brush to really get the detailing on my nose contour. I went back in with some of that finishing powder from before to really brighten up things and give that highlight look. And I went in with my NARS palette for the blush. This part is the main focus of the makeup look, so you can really go crazy with this part and add as much as you would like. Next, I took that same palette and I went in and did highlights.
Step back and adore you. I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let it waste it. Oh no.
And I just took a little bit of white and put that on the inner corner of my eyes as well.
'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it.
Next, I just went in with some eyeliner and created a simple wing.
Oh, act like you're my girl, let's get the
After that, I just went back in with some of that blush and put it on my eyelid to really tie everything together. Next, I went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Y'all, this is my favorite mascara. Like, it really does the job. Like, look at it already. I just went ahead and added some of that to my bottom lashes as well to elongate them. And I just set everything with this facial spray. My eyelashes got stuck together. I just went in with a beauty blender and just really pat everything into my face. And lastly, for my lip, I just went in with a brown lip liner. I just added some of this Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Hex to add a little bit of color. The color was a little bit too dark for this look, so I just took a tissue and took some of the pigment away.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once.
This is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below what other videos you would like to see. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you never miss when I upload again. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
My newbies look like Tyler Berry.